In this segment, I'm going to cover cleaning the fittings, the brake hose fittings, and the connections. And I'm going to use this new hose to demonstrate basically what I'm getting at. The hose is located, it connects the actual caliper of the brake system to the body of the brake system. All the rest of the brake lines on the vehicle are all done in steel. This section happens to be rubber. It allows the suspension movement and the flexibility. Steel won't flex, and that's why they have this rubber section in here. The problem being is the dirt and debris from road, water, and everything else builds up around these connections. We have to open this up to replace and put the new line in, and there's a potential for that dirt to get into our brake system. So prior to breaking the lines loose on the old one, we want to go in there and clean where this fitting came on here and all around where the banjo fitting goes. Just spray it down with a brake clean and quickly brush it off with a wire brush, removing any dirt or foreign debris around there, and then thoroughly rinsing it off with a brake clean. That way when we open the system up, we're not going to get any contaminants in there from dirt and everything else while we're replacing the brake line. So first we're going to do is spray this down on there first and get it good and wet and let this dissolve in there a little bit and soften everything up. When we come back, I'll show you how to remove all the dirt and debris off there relatively easily. So please watch our next segment on cleaning the brake hoses and connections, part 2.